Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and amazing. Today I will share the recipe of chicken tikka paratha roll. Let's start. Chicken cubes 200 grams, shredded carrots 1 cup, shredded capsicum 1 cup, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, tikka masala half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons, oil 5 tablespoons, and some parathas. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. Add chicken cubes in a bowl and half tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add half tablespoon of chopped garlic, tikka masala, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix it very well. And let it rest for about half an hour. Now take a pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil. After that, we will add the marinated chicken cubes. Keep the flame medium. Cook them till the chicken is tender. As you can see that tikka boti is ready. We are going to take them out. Now I am using the same pan and the same oil for veggies too. Add leftover chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Saute them well. Now add tomato ketchup, salt, shredded carrots, shredded capsicum. Mix it very well till the veggies are tender too. Cook them for around 2 minutes on high flame and take them out. Now we are going to make roll. Take a paratha, add some ketchup, spread it, add sauteed veggies, now we will add chicken tikka boti, roll it up as shown. If you guys have any query about the recipe, let me know in the comment section below, as I try to reply every comment. Here is the final look of delicious and very quick, very easy chicken tikka paratha roll. Hope you like the recipe and enjoy the video too. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest uploads from Maryam's kitchen. Give your precious feedback in comment section. Thanks.